Today, we're taking a close-up look at the 2025 Jayco 12HMD, a hardwall A-frame camper that combines rugged off-road capability with the compact convenience that solo travelers, couples, and adventure-seeking duos absolutely love. Whether you're new to the camping scene or upgrading from a tent or teardrop, this might just be the perfect balance of comfort, durability, and freedom. Let's start with the basics. The Jayco 12HMD is part of Jayco's popular J Series sport line, known for being lightweight, easy to tow, and surprisingly roomy once set up. What makes the 12HMD special is that it's an A-frame camper with a solid hardwall construction. That means no canvas, better insulation, and greater security, ideal for all-weather campers or anyone wanting a sturdier structure without the bulk of a full-size travel trailer. Weighing in at just under 2,200 pounds dry, this unit is incredibly towable by a wide range of vehicles, including small SUVs and crossovers. And thanks to the high-clearance, off-road-ready suspension and 15-inch off-road tires, the 12HMD is ready for more than just paved campsites. If your adventures take you off the beaten path, this camper is ready to follow. Now let's talk about the setup. One of the biggest advantages of the A-frame design is how fast it sets up. In just about 30 seconds to a minute, you can go from towing mode to camp mode. The roof panels lift up and lock into place, forming a rigid A-frame structure that's strong, leak-resistant, and visually unique. Once you're inside, you'll immediately notice how much natural light comes in through the large windows, making the compact interior feel open and airy. Even though it's a small footprint camper, Jayco's smart design really maximizes every inch. On the curbside, there's a spacious dinette that comfortably seats 2 to 4 people. This area easily converts into a sleeping space for 1 adult or 2 children. Across from that, on the street side, is the main bed, a roomy full-sized bed with a comfy mattress that folds down quickly from the wall. It's a simple, efficient sleeping arrangement that makes setup at camp a breeze. Just behind the dinette is a built-in kitchenette. It includes a 2-burner propane stove, a sink with electric pump-fed water, and a 3-way refrigerator that can run on propane, 120V shore power, or 12V battery power. There's also enough counter space for meal prep, and you'll find storage cabinets below for utensils, cookware, and food supplies. In terms of features, the 2025 model comes standard with a 20-pound propane tank, a deep cycle battery, and a water tank large enough for weekend getaways. You'll also find a 12V water pump, LED lighting throughout, and USB charging ports to keep your devices topped up while you're off-grid. Jayco also includes a stereo system with Bluetooth connectivity and indoor-outdoor speakers, perfect for setting the mood at camp or relaxing with music in the evening. Heating is provided by a propane furnace with a wall-mounted thermostat, and the solid wall design helps retain warmth better than soft-sided campers. There's also a roof-mounted fan to help circulate air in warmer climates. While this particular unit doesn't come with air conditioning as standard, it's pre-wired if you'd like to add one later. On the exterior, you'll appreciate the rugged aluminum exterior skin, diamond plate rock guard, and Jayco's strong Norco A-frame chassis. There's also a large front storage trunk with gas struts for easy access, great for stashing camping gear, tools, and outdoor cooking equipment. You'll also find stabilizer jacks at all 4 corners to keep the camper steady once you're set up. And speaking of setup, the manual tongue jack is smooth and easy to use, and the camper includes a 7-way plug for your tow vehicle. This specific 2025 Jayco 12HMD model also features an outdoor shower connection handy for rinsing off dirty feet, bikes, or pets. Plus, with the optional solar prep package installed, you're already set up for off-grid power with a compatible solar panel. As far as condition, this unit is in excellent shape. It's only lightly used and still under the original manufacturer's warranty for structural integrity. All systems are fully functional, and it has been thoroughly cleaned and inspected. Whether you're a weekend warrior or planning longer road trips, the Jayco 12HMD offers a cozy, efficient home base that's easy to tow, easy to store, and a joy to camp in. It's great for national parks, boondocking, or just heading to your favorite state campground. Now let's talk pricing. This 2025 Jayco 12HMD camper is available right now at a fantastic value. You'll be getting a high-quality, well-built camper from one of the most trusted names in the RV world, with all the essentials to hit the road right away. If you're interested, be sure to check the description below for contact details, additional photos, and a full list of specs. We're happy to answer any questions or set up a time for you to come check it out in person. Thanks for watching, and happy camping wherever the road may take you.